Hi, this is an example of the WileyPLUS arsenic chicken problem. Okay, we want to do a randomization for a single mean. So opening stack key, I'm going to click the option for testing a single mean. Okay, first issue we have data in the problem, and notice it's we don't have a corresponding data file. So what we need to do is edit our data. First thing I'm going to do is delete the data that's in there for the present file. Okay, and I'm just going to enter the 6 observations. Okay, so I make sure both boxes in the edit data um, option are unchecked. Then I enter the actual values. Okay. Um, Now at this point, we know that our sample mean value is supposed to match the hypothetical mean value that we're testing, which is 80. So I need to enter that value in for mu. Okay. And at this point, we're doing an upper tail test since we're testing the alternative hypothesis. The true mean is greater than 80. So I check right tail, generate, oops, I'm sorry. I did too many. But at any rate, what you would do to get the correct p-value is enter a cutoff of 91, since that was the resulting sample mean from the problem that was attained. Okay, so um, I would say for our test, the p-value is 0.127, but keep in mind we drew 2,000 samples, so don't use this value for your answer. Go and do the same thing that I did, but only select 1,000 generated samples, and you should get the correct p-value. Hope this was helpful.